Let's be live. Why should we be non-live if we can be live? Microphone? Yep. Music? Yep. Oh, sound. A lot of sound. Shush. Okay, that works. And 3D model. So, today is going to be a very simple day and a very short day as well, because yesterday I got tired and I have stuff to do today. So I've cleaned up the layers, I've cleaned up all of the how do you call this, like helpers for the rotation and so on of these. Oh yeah, I forgot to group these up, so need to do that. But I added them to separate layers, so now they're kind of neatly color coded and everything is just clean because we wanted it that way. How about this? Yeah, this one also needs to be grouped. That's fine. We can do that. Are you ungrouped? No, you're not. That's great. So the only axis that I don't have controlled this way is this axis right here, simply because it's like the placement of the doodad is very awkward. So instead, like the thumb opening axis will be done manually, like so. Right, you just select the things, rotate 3D, you catch the center axis here, or center point here, and at that point you have full control to open up the flap, right? So it opens up and then it closes. So that's the only place. Everything else has an axis. So one thing that I've learned is that this body cannot turn. It can only, like, it can turn in this direction, other way around. This body has one or 1 degree of freedom over 2 axes, here and here, right? So it cannot do this, right? It cannot swivel this way, and also it cannot do this. That's also impossible. I will think about it. That might be something that I want to adjust, that I want to fix, but honestly this might be just fine and we just stick to, you know, stick to it. I think we work on the foot though. That's some sexy geometry. It's a lot of geometry. Not sure if it's sexy, but it's a lot of it. And that helps. Let me reset. Like, this is perspective. This is gonna be, let's see, the right view. Perfect. Actually, that's the back. Okay, so we need left view. There we go. ZSA. Set everything up this way. And we just kind of begin. So a foot. We need to model a foot. Clearly that's gonna have multiple axes of rotation. First one being a disc, right? And for that I will just create something. You need to kind of figure out maybe like one way of how you can get, let's say, the center point of this surface. Hey Jay. Is by just simply connecting here Today is the foot day, but yes, you're correct. Just kind of getting the, well, for instance, here it gives me a knot. I don't want, or a quad. I want a knot here, knot here. Okay, so we have these 4 points. Can we do an average here? No, we can't. So I do need to. Okay, fine. Let's just open up Grasshopper real fast. Reference in these points. Get an average of those point coordinates, and that gives us the center point here that I can bake in. That's it. That's how you get a center point of any point cloud whatsoever. You just average all of the coordinates. So now as I have the center, I can do a disk. I'm thinking if we should... Morning, Nico. Morning. I'm thinking if I should do something fancy with the disk. Most likely not. Most likely it's gonna be something quite simple. So I'm just going to make an extrusion here, like that. And I kinda need to fiddle with this until it's gonna look proper. So for example here, it's kind of weird, right? Looks weird. But that's at least the strat. Also, our layer is weird. We need to work in this layer. So let's make sure that we are not messing it up. Active, there we go. Fancy disk at the belly. Right here, huh? I could split this apart, for sure. I could. Let's see if I can, though. To 0. So we catch this direction, right? Oh, and now I don't know which one it is. Perfect. Still don't know which one it is. Oh, it's not this one. So we catch that direction here. And I need to then catch that, bring it over to this side, move it up. Oh, actually, before we do that, let's just scale it up. Then let's move it up. So we're making an offset, right? An offset like so. Nothing too fancy. Nothing too much. Wait, that's getting tricky. Tick, 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 tick. Tick, 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 tick. Yeah, okay, so that's actually fine. So like that, and then another one right here. And let's get the nearest snap on here. Get a line in there. So it kind of swivels there. That's fine. And then another one. It's gonna be getting a line in here. Actually, let's just get 2 lines in here. and then just mirror. What? That's incorrect. Perpendicular. That's correct. Like that. And mirror again like that. Okay. So now this is fine. Now I need to make... Let's log this. Let's unlog this and actually move this out a bit. Like that. And move this out a bit like that. Yeah. Now log this and draw out our cutting curve. So it's gonna be this, and then another one. Yeah, like that. Okay, now let's fillet them with like a 2 millimeter. Fillet. More. We can do 5. It's pretty big. Okay. Now we can just simply yoink. Do that. Hi, Thomas. Do that. Select this. Trim. With actually other way around, right? Yeah. With these two, we trim away that. And then with this one, we also need to take this and split this with this. There we go. So now we have 2 parts. So this one trims this, just kind of connects together. There we go. And then this one trims this and connects together. Okay. So we have a thing going on. Now let's unlock our curves. Don't need them anymore. Let's get this isolated first. Or actually, we don't even need to. We can just straight up fillet edge. Radius, or let's chamfer first. Chamfer. Radius of 4. Chain. Huh. Is this not joined in? That's open. Why is it open to border? The fuck? Why is a border there? That's a weird place to have a border. Okay. Sweep 2. No, sweep 2. First rail, second rail, this. Okay. First rail, second rail, this and that. Okay. Join. Okay. Do border. No border. Okay, that's good. That means here we can do the same thing. Sweep 2. I don't know why why it freaked out so much. Oh. Okay, so sure. So you shouldn't go refit. No. How do you maintain height? No. Closed sweep? No. Okay. that ain't gonna work. So I do need to do border, explode the border. 8 segments, what do you mean? Join. Okay. Hide it for a second. 4 curves, okay. Sweep 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Show. Rather show selected. Looking nice. Slowly. Slowly. Whoa, that's the wrong one. That one. Okay, please don't give me what? The actual fuck. Why is this giving me errors now? Whatever, I'll fix it later. Oh wait, I can't fix it later. I need to fix it now, because or else the chamfer doesn't work. I think. Let's see. Okay, the break's there. 2 mil. Mill works. It's a little bit ugly there, but that's fine. Okay, that means here. Wait, this one is also open? Also kind of fits the bed there. Ah, okay. That's worrying. That's a gap. Making tolerances bigger, that's a very dangerous game to play. It all goes downhill from there. Okay. So now let's see. If I take this, I make a bounding box, right? And I take the box and I kind of move it to the middle, midpoint. Okay. And let's just get the border in here. Cap or planar surface it. Actually, I don't even need to do that. It's enough for me to just go here in the top and just trim. Let's trim away away half of it. Huh. Okay, I can't. That's cool. Planar surface. Trim. No, that's funky. Okay. That was very weird. Either way, I am able to trim this. As I should. Cap. Okay, so this is not planar. And I assume it has something to do with this. So we need to take this edge. First of all, C-plane. Let's create a C-plane. Right here. And then we take this edge and project C-plane project to Uh, project to C-plane. Objects. No, I need like I need like this. Okay. Yes. This and then this to be projected. I think these are gonna be fine. So to C-plane, delete input objects, yes. These get projected. No distortions, no additional distortions found, no isocurves created. Now this should cap. It still doesn't cap. What? I'm sorry, what? Are you not? Okay, project to C-plane. Yes. Hi there. Hi. Welcome. Welcome. So that's weird. That's funky. That's a new thing. That's a new thing. I could kind of check. Okay, let's mirror top view like that. Join this up. Okay. So the bottom is closed. The bottom is fine. The top is still open. So I don't care about the bottom anymore. Hide that. The top though needs some love. Where's the border? There's the border. Why? Why are you here? Okay, what if I network surface this? Because this feels like network surface type of a thing. Unable to sort curves. Oh, they can't be chained, I guess. Yeah, okay. So we can do edge surface then. 1, 2, 3. No, it just makes a fucking triangle. Sweep. Bam, bam. And then bam. Okay. Sweep again. What? Oh, that was my bad. This, and this. Okay, so now, like, I'm matching the edges. There's no way. Yeah, no borders, closed poly surface. Perfect. Okay, we're back in business. We're back in business. Now this has a swivel point right here. That's great. Let's actually let's isolate it for a bit, because we forgot to actually add the swivel point, which is gonna be here. C-plane, world top. Actually, no, the C-plane needs to be kinda weird. So the swivel is gonna be kinda weird as well, but that's actually probably fine. Again, I think I messed it up. I might have messed it up. Now it should be fine. Midpoint. Drag this bitch out. Like that. Move vertical from this to this. Cap this, cap this. Chamfer. union, that's merged. Boolean union, that's merged. Let's get fillet edge. Nope, fillet edge again, 2 mil. Okay, that works. And this one, chamfer edge, 2 mil. Okay. Okay, final. I fell in love yesterday with the pixel material and the double coated material. Double coated and pixel material. Are you talking about V-Ray? Oh, you're talking about the materials that I've made? Like the screen and the dirty boy? Ah, gotcha. I like them too. I think they're kind of neat. Okay, so that is that. That needs a chamfer. I don't know why we don't have a chamfer here. That also needs a chamfer. This might not work as a chamfer. There are so many edges. It worked. Okay. Alright, so now we have a proper swivel. I didn't stream it. I streamed like another way of making it. It's the same procedure. Okay, let's take a gander at the foot. So this is not great. So can we first, perhaps first we can make this happen. Like a rotation, like so happen, and then kind of connects to the rotation. That might be a thing. Why is this off center? Oh, it's off center because my C-plane is messed up. World top. Now it's gonna rotate properly. There we go. So can we do this? And then apply rotation. I think we can. Like I think my first or second stream already had like the me creating multi-layered materials. And the pixel screen part is mostly Photoshop. It's not Rhino. It's a bit clunky, but might work. I just need to think a little bit. Yeah, I think we can make this work. Let's do one thing first. Well, that would be shit. Wait, we have done something similar here. Right here. Was a large and a small cylinder, while here the cylinder sizes match up. That's why it's making this kind of a cross thing. So if this little doohickey was actually smaller, like that, then we could do something with it. Not sure what yet, but something. Let's see. Oh, this is too far out now. Needs to be like that. So it kind of bites in here, right? But it needs to be bigger. I feel like something like so. Let's just try. We always need to just try. Okay, we get that. That's fine with me. We get that. Let's get an offset of that. Like a 2 mil. Get this extruded. That. I need to not have it doing this. Rebuild. That's too many points. 4. That's much better. Wait, is this still a circle? No, that's not a circle anymore. Okay, that's problematic. Before we do the boolean, let's do the border. Boolean inter. Oh my god, boolean intersection. There we go. These two. Yep. Did I do 2 before? I think I did 2, right? So something like this. We mirror. Give me a quad snap. Let's be fancy about our snapping. Like that. Okay, so we boolean difference this. For now I won't boolean difference it, but let's just say we boolean difference it. Okay. Then it's being held here. And it's able to swivel, right? So there needs to be like a gap here. And then... and there needs to be 2 discs. So 1 and the second. So this is held by this, meaning I need bounding box. Need the box in here. Just grab a box like that. Circle. That's not a knife. This is a knife. I'm not. Wait, this is Japanese. I'm not Australian enough to pull that off. Unforge. Okay, so let's get this in pretty close, like that. Let's find like a pretty nice thickness. I think we're close, like something like this should do the trick. And then we need to move this until it reaches the perpendicular snap here. Okay. So we get that. Yep, that looks just fine. Now it's gonna get a little bit wonky. Because I need like snappy dragging, because this needs to go fast. There we go. This needs to be mirrored. Like that. Then I need to take this, or rather this, dupe border it, dupe edge it, not the border. Give it to me, dupe edge. Then I need to scale 1D, not 1D, just scale from the center point, and then the next snap is a quad. So let's turn off the center point and find the quad. Pray that we find the quad. There it is, quad. And then snap to a perpendicular snap here. In doing so, we are now able to draw out this cylinder, cap it, and Boolean intersect all of these objects, or rather these need to be Boolean unioned first. Yeah, and then Boolean, let's just make sure, yeah, there's the seam, there's the freaking seam, so we move the seam away and then we Boolean intersect this, enter with this, and we're initially curving it, right, curving the outside portion of it, which makes it very nice, very, very nice. Okay, now this moves up, this moves back down, or rather extrudes back down, up until something like so. It extrudes in, doesn't matter the amount, here as well. And the reason why the amount doesn't matter is because now it's Boolean union time. Now we just merge all coplanar, and we end up with this kind of a form. That angle is wonky, so let's hit both of these angles with a chamfer, like a 2 mil chamfer, something like that. Now let's start hitting it with a fillet. It's a little bit early for fillets here, but I think this will save us quite a bit of time later down the line. Okay, that's a 1 millimeter fillet, and the bottom chamfer is a 1 millimeter, and like this becomes problematic, but I think we will manage because I want a fillet here. Okay, let's do a 1 mil here, 1 mil here. There's a shit ton of curves that I don't need. Okay, let's fillet edge 0.5, chain those edges, and I think, I mean, there's no way, right? Yeah, it just breaks there. So I can't fillet up until there. Okay, plan B. The 2 mil fillet will happen later. Right now I do 1 here, 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 as well as here. Okay. It needs to happen here as well, but that's, yeah, it kind of works. Kind of fillets, at least tries. Maybe let's not do that. Let's not fillet the inner edges. Okay, like that. Then it goes around here, here, here. It kind of stops here, right? Yeah, that's the... yeah, that should work. Then fillet edge. Let's go for 1 as well. Why not? Oh, less. 0.7. Let's just see. Okay, that's what I want. Yeah. Okay. This is correct. That's a 0.7 fillet. That's also good. That means that now we can do a 0.5 fillet for here and here. It's not gonna be like a 2 mil fillet, but it's something. Chain the edges. Okay, so that works. That works. So we have ourselves a little disc right here. Nothing too fancy. It can become something pretty cool. Okay, let's turn this off, get these in here, take a look at them. That looks fine. I will later kind of detail this a bit more, but for now it's just Boolean union. And then from this, Boolean difference with this. From this with this. Why is this like a grid now? Yeah, whatever. Okay. For now, that's fine. So then we have a bottom disc. Gets a 2mm chamfer as well. And the foot actually connects to that bottom disc. Right, so there's gonna be a heel and so on. Let's find human foot anatomy. Perfect. We have a heel, and then we have like a plate here, and then a finger area here. I think we're gonna do this in 3 segments in total. Technically we can do this in 2 segments, but why not? Let's do it in 3. Before I do that though, I need to get some sort of a block out in here. So there's gonna be a sphere for sure, or rather let's draw. So there's gonna be a circle. That will be pretty close to the outside like that. And at this point I do need like a straight line here. How long is a foot? Human average female foot length. Centimeters, god damn it. Fucking freedom units. Okay, 23 centimeter foot is 6.5 US. A foot is 12-inch long. God damn it. God damn it, Nico. At this point, you guys are probably memeing this as well, right? Or is it like, is it still a big thing in USA, the imperial system? You should be memeing this. Yeah, I'll do something around 25, I think. Well, not really, because 24 is 38. Let's do 24. Oops. Oh my god. 240. Whoa. Really? What about the school? Like the education system? Okay, that's the wrong side. What about the education system? Does that teach you the metric system at all, or is it all done in Imperial? This feels long. This feels somewhat long. Where's my anatomy foot thing? So there's an arch, there's a finger, and we have like a this. We have like 1/4 of the way there. The finger starts. Okay, so it's gonna be something like, oops, that's too much. Something like this for a finger. And then this for a foot. That feels too big. I don't know. Is it me? Might be just me. Yes, we're still taught in Imperial, because the construction code is in Imperial. Is it? I mean, where else? UK has, but UK has a mixture. Like the construction code in UK is a mixture between Imperial and non-Imperial metric, while USA is just going to town with full-on Imperial. Okay. Yeah, that is fine actually. I think that's fine. Not the Imperial part. That's stupid, but this is fine. Yeah, actually this is gonna be fine. Okay. So what do we do? It would require very like an enormous budget to change it. I mean, the Sweden, right? For instance, they were left-hand side driving country for some time, for quite some time. Wait, left-hand side? You're on a road. Yeah, left-hand side, like the wrong way, driving country for a while, and then they decided to change it. And he said, screw it, you know, we're gonna be a right-hand side. Driving country. So they changed it overnight. And it was just very, very weird for like 2 days. So, you know. India is right-hand side, isn't it? I'm pretty sure that left-hand side driving countries. Yeah, so India is normal. Like that. We have freaking Japan, Australia, the whole oh wait, guys, Jay, you meant India is left-hand side driving country. No, I get it, Nico, I get why US doesn't change it. Just sucks. Just sucks that they don't. I wish they would. Would be much easier, because, you know, let's say you are kind of want it to be like that. Sorry, I'm gonna start talking in just a second. Need to count some things. Just give me a second. Okay, something like this should work. Yeah. And then I would need like a part here. Should kind of connects like that. Yeah, we can do this. But how though? I need this as an offset. Okay, for that I need a distance, and the distance is not gonna be a clean number. Yeah, it's a shit number. Scale all of this to give me the endpoint, or actually it doesn't matter, to 22. Okay, now I know that it's definitely 44. I can offset this 44. Okay, so now I have two tangents that are 44. After I scaled it, this is not touching the ground anymore, so I need to move this from the quad to 0 and move it back in. Okay. Um, yeah, so I understand why US doesn't change the imperial system. That's fine with, I mean, yeah, makes sense, but people are locked in. I mean, you graduate school, architectural school for instance, and let's say you want to work in not USA. There's not a lot of countries then where you can actually work, right? You're kind of forced into working in USA or any other country that uses inches, of course. Are these in the same plane? They are. That's a first. Just don't know if that makes sense, but I think it's important that it's all that all if it was up to me, all countries would speak the same language, would use the same measurements, would drive on the same side of the road, and so on. I don't get this kind of different systems thing. I don't like it. I think it's yucky. Yucky. Okay. That's our part 1. Then part 2 is going to be... let's go for a curve here. Something like that. Let's have it pretty clean. Like that. That's our part 2. And actually it should kind of move out a bit, like that. And also measuring things in feet is some sort of weird fetish in general. Feels like very, very fetishy. Okay, let's see. So can we... I want to have like a... something like that going on. Yep. Okay, so that, then we do a hard cut here. Actually, a hard cut here that straight up just connects there. And let's borrow this line. And then there's also this guy that just kind of scales up here. Let's make sure that everything is in the same... yeah, everything is in the same place. Get rid of that. Don't need to see those anymore. This bad boy needs to go right up. Like that. Okay, time to fillet. Let's say 2 mil fillet. Yeah. That's actually not bad. Okay. Like that. Okay. So that's gonna be part number 2. On the right hand side, the driving seat of car is on the right side. Yeah, that's weird. That's weird. That is a very strange thing. So this actually needs to not do that for now, because I have plans for this. So fillet here needs to not create additional control points. And also this. So here. Can I just kind of do... Okay, let's just try like that. That. Or actually, that might look funky. Okay. All of these are in the same plane, that's good. Now let's have them lofted. So for that, I will need... Okay, so this is where it gets a little bit tricky, because I need to do this, right? And then I need to go to the top view and definitely hide a bunch of stuff. So in the top view, I need to draw out human. You can come closer. Human foot top view. Diagram. Okay, that's better. Didn't want to Google that. Yeah, every time when I need to work with people from USA on architectural drawings or something like that, I get depressed, get sad. Okay. Oh, that's good, that's good. So that kind of is a straight line. Oh. And for reference, are you going to make nails for feet? Yes, absolutely, and I'll make them like dirty. Just learned both, lol. Just drag it in here. Not too easy. Can I rotate this? No. Yes. Okay, that's what we're aiming for. Kinda. Sure. So kinda need this as ghosted, and I also need this to not snap. Okay, let's just draw it out real quick. So if this is the center point, right, then it goes something like, it needs to go something like so. Then straight up until somewhere here. then slightly inside, and then out. No, and then it keeps going inside. Okay, so I'm the size at which I'm working is incorrect. So it goes out more here and goes straight, slightly inside, straight again, something like that. Okay. This needs to be up. Then kinda goes flat and then starts bending real quick. So let's just say kinda goes flat. Oops. Goes flat and just starts pew pew. Oops. Pew pew. Pew? Something like that. Oh no, I first need to draw that line to know where it actually ends. So the angle from here, so here is just straight up straight. That's easy. Let's go to object snap and just kinda do that. So that's an easy part. The hard part is from here. It kind of needs to do something like so, like that, and kind of boop, oops, boop, boop. Now this is too big, so this needs to be. Can this just be straight? Feels like this can be just straight. Or perhaps just like that a bit. Then that means this goes in here. Okay. This needs to go up. Okay. Like that. Then this needs to be like here. This as well. Okay. Now this is where it gets real funky, because we have so it kinda is straight and then tapers back here, but not by a lot. Okay, so something like so, while here it tapers much more. Okay, let's hide these for a second. But here it needs to taper much more, like that. Okay, this is fine. This is like the thumb thing. Okay, and then here we have like the bottom of the foot, which is fine. That's whatever. Okay, time to lock and time to redraw everything cleanly. So something like oh, that's a forced. No, we don't force it. Perhaps Have you thought of streaming to other than just YouTube, like Twitch? Yeah, I have. I have thought about it. And then I stopped thinking about it because, I mean, I'm not a streamer. That's one thing. Twitch is dying. Twitch is not gonna die. For the next 5 years at least, it's gonna be still the best streaming platform. Do you know how hard it is to find people on YouTube? Like, try to find any other person who's doing 3D modeling right now and is live streaming. Yeah, this week I am a full-time streamer, but typically I'm not. It's not only me, there's plenty. But you can't find them. And that's why Twitch is better. I can't find them as well. Okay, so now this is... Now we do some funky stuff here. Let's have fun. Let's position our... actually, I need this to be accurate. I said accurate. This week I'm full-time streamer, that is true. For I Know 3D and Grasshopper, you're the only one maybe on YouTube? No, I'm not. There is Junichiro Horikawa. These days he's not doing... let me link his channel. His channel is pretty good. Leave him a subscription. Just give me a second. Junichiro these days does Houdini stuff, but he also kinda... he's also an architect. I mean, once he gets tired of Houdini, he's gonna come back to Grasshopper. So you can just wait for him. Okay. So let's do this, and then we take this and we copy this over to this point and this point, and here I will just scale 1D, scale this, no, I just need to just scale, not 1D, just scale. I'll scale this until it fits here. Is this a good angle for scaling? I guess here it's better. Like that. And here we need to scale as well. Okay, back to top. Like that. Okay, I think if we sweep to... and this is our first rail, or sorry, this is our first rail, second rail, first sweep shape, second sweep shape. Let's add some slashes here. So from here to here, kind of want a sweep. Let's see. Not sure, not sure. The top is messing up too much. So I can't really sweep it. Okay, that's fine. I will just loft it then. That's okay too. Oops. I only need... Oh, actually, we can do 2. Like that. Just probably need to place them somewhere here. Somewhere closer to there. Come on. Nope. Have you tried Houdini? I have. I didn't like it. I think it's yucky. Okay. Okay. Try again. But this time just a loft. Are you backwards? You're backwards, aren't you? Okay, this one is much better. Yeah, this one is much better. Okay. We're sticking to this one. Then I need this. And I need this to be probably like a few copies here to give me a third one. 3. There we go. And this is the reason why kind of move these back in until there's a little gap there, like that. Like that. And there's don't need that point. Just like that. Okay. So I end up having something like so. Wait, why is this now bigger? And this is smaller. What did we do? Ah, we scaled them down, right? That's fine. We just do this and now it's fine. We will need to adjust the points like that. It's gonna get cut either way, but I might as well just kind of adjust them while we're at it. Like that. Just get all of those in there. Adjust them like that. Okay. Last one. Don't need to adjust that, just this area. Okay. So. Parametric camp. I don't know this guy. Is he new? No, he's not new. He does like one... Okay, he does like small bite-sized tutorials on one type of thing. Ew, C#. Where's the design? Where's the design? C#. Oh my god. Okay. This will need to, of course, be able to swivel, so there's gonna be like some shenanigans going on there, or there, probably here, but that's gonna work. And then the heel. C#. I want the heel to be flat. Okay, back to the top. Let's do some trimmy. So, what's a fast way? Unlock selected. So these two, I can just use U2 to pop cap. We have a heel. That was easy. For this, I will use a NURBS curve and just kind of draw it out. I'll draw it out without any snapping, just the way I kind of see it. Let's do 1, 2, and then 1, 2. Or actually, this needs to kind of keep going on, right? 3, 4. Let's do something like that. Like that, and then play around with the control points until we get something that we like. So that's getting very close. Honestly, if we move this up, then that's too close. Whoop. Can this kind of move out a bit? Yeah, I think that's gonna be a good trim. Bam, bam. Okay. This is not what I need. This is what I need. Pum pum. Trim. This. Just kind of join. Okay. Hello, hello, hello. Hi. So yeah, so YouTube needs to have some form of filtering live streams, like Twitch, right? Categories or whatnot. Just searching, search terms or something like that. Something that would help. Because the way it is right now, it's not great. Not great at all. And I really, really wish it was better. Okay, let's do 3-pointer there. Move out up until here. Do a 2-3-pointer here to make a quick turn. And then just kinda trim it off there. This should be fine. That's a little bit on the sharp side, but it should be okay. Messed it up a bit. Okay. Why is this all very clean? That's weird. Join. And it also joins closed, closed. Okay. Select curve, select points, delete everything. And we have ourselves some form of a shoe that we will start carving into now. Carving into right now. So first of all, how does it connect to our disk? Second of all, okay, now, first of all, how does it look like? The flatness is a little bit annoying. It's not bad. Yeah, that's fine. That looks okay. Remember when I said that it seems like it's too big? Now it's not. Now it's actually fine. So it's all the matter of perception. Your feet are big if you measure them. Okay. Do we do something with this? No, we probably don't. We just need like a quick type of a cut. Okay, let's get these in here. Let's jump to we can do top view. No, let's do left view. Ghost it. Should be enough for us to make a small little decision. Something like that. 45 degrees. That was very easy. Famous last words. Scale it up like that. Difference with the scaled up version. Get it in here. Go back. Okay. So that would be a thing that happens. Maybe. I actually want to... Okay, let's actually connect these into a solid form. Like that. Okay, like that. Just kind of extrude them and cap them like so. And then for the back of this, kind of want to do let's just see how that's gonna work out, because I want to carve into here like that. Okay. So that becomes very funky, but maybe not too funky. Let's see. I mean, seems unnecessary. So instead, let's fillet edge with a much stronger fillet. But let's move these all the way through. Ah, but we can move these out. Let's do like -5 and then 5 here. Okay. All right. Okay. That's fine. That looks okay. I think that looks okay. Let's keep it. What? Okay, that's good. Boolean union. No, that is definitely not a good Boolean union. We need to fillet first, except that area. Okay, okay, this is where it starts getting a little bit messy. Okay, if I hit... What? Are you not... Closed polysurface, fillet edge, this edge. I can't select an edge. I can select that edge. I can't select this edge. Now I can. The fuck? I need to double click them suddenly? Okay. Dude. Okay, sure. I'll start double clicking. Oh, it just disappeared. Okay, what's going on? What's up? What's up? Why are you doing this? Is it because I moved? Is it because I moved? Let edge radius 1. It was because I moved the freaking... Okay. Every time I cry. Okay, and this one becomes fillet 5. No, it doesn't. Fillet 4. Here and here. Maybe too late, but you can try use a shoe last to start. No, I don't want to. Nah. That area. No, I don't fillet it now. I need to boolean. Because if you start using something, well, that's gonna be a problem, isn't it? Okay, this definitely needs to go down in like so. Yeah. Okay. So if you start using some references, it's very easy to just start copying those references. Which is not a bad thing. I mean, definitely fine. But in this case, I just kind of want to make my own problems for myself and then solve them. Don't know if that makes sense. It should. Boolean union. Now we can merge. Nope. Now we can fillet the last edge. Easy. Okay, we have ourselves a heel. Now this. This kind of needs to have a similar approach to what we have with the heel, except that here I think we will use give me a second. So can I just kind of reuse this? Whoop. That is not how you do it. Whoop. Like that, and then just move this up. Like that, okay. And I need to decide how and where do we stop cutting. Because we can't just kind of keep cutting. So there needs to be like a front. There we go, front. There needs to be some sort of a cut situation happening. That should happen pretty early on, I think. Something like that. Right? So we get that cap. Boolean difference with these two, just to check. Don't like that. That needs to kind of taper out. Okay. So So instead I'm going to make the extrusion. Actually, I'm going to intersect all of these three doodads to get the lines. I'll explode. I will only keep the verticals. Delete that, delete that. So I have the verticals here, and these guys can, both of these can slide forward by quite a large margin and get lofted. Okay, like that. They do need to, both of them need to be bigger, or rather all four of them, not both of them, all four of them need to be bigger, get lofted, pop, 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 trim, pom pom, pom pom, oops, that's wrong, join, and then Boolean difference. How does this look like now? That's better. That's clean. That's not bad. Okay, we can use this. So before we Boolean, we need to let edge like a 20. What? That's just a fillet? No, fillet edge. Like big boy fillet 20. Yeah, like that. That's what I want to see. And then Boolean difference. Okay, so we get this kind of a nice taper now. And that means I can make another fillet edge with a 5 right here, like that, and another 5 right here, like that. Okay, we're getting there. Now this becomes a problem, and to solve this problem I need to fix this problem first, but then that's a problem. Okay, so this first. Actually this first. That's like a 3. That is not a 3. A fucking 3 breaks. Can we do then a 5? And actually break it? And then use the breaking surface to force a fillet? Yeah, we can. Okay. Thank God. Okay. Trim. Yeah. Not the best, but hey. If it works, right? If it works, it works. Anyway. This one does need like a 5 mil fillet. What? Didn't I add? I'm losing my mind. Okay, for now let's isolate this, just so that we can work on this more. So there, goes around, goes around. Yeah, all of this can just be fillet edge, 1 mil, chain edges. for some reason stops right there. Let me guess, it's gonna break there as well, huh? It didn't. Oh my god. We have a clean shoe. Well, part of the shoe. Okay. So both of these are actually connected to the same disk, because you can't just move your what? Closed. You can't just move your heel. That's illegal. Okay, and we get a nice little fillet here as well. Nice. Okay, final one. PP time. I'm back. I am back. So. The toe is going to be quite difficult to work with, but I think we will manage. First of all, this needs to have like a 4mm fillet right here. No it doesn't. No, it definitely doesn't. It breaks. So we fillet it according to this. And it's a small 1mm fillet. That also breaks? That's not normal. Why? Is it because of the bend? That's so strange. Can I... Oh, never mind. This is not joined in. Still open. Do border. There's a gap here, out of nowhere. How? Okay. Let me just untrim. Oh, that's why. That's why. Okay. Whoop. Hop. No, it's fine. Closed poly surface. Okay. Where were we? Fillet edge. 1. That's fine. Can't do 2 and won't do 2. This one gets 2 though. This one gets 2. This one gets a 2. And this one gets a 2. So that the top can get a 1mm fillet. Yep. Oh, this needs a 2. And then this gets a 0.7mm fillet. And we're looking real close here. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's take a gander with the EMAP. Normal. Looks absolutely normal. Okay. Now I kind of really want to do one thing. That might be a little bit funky. But might end up being pretty nice. Actually, we can just do that instead. Yeah, I think that's nice. Can we chain a 1? No, we can't. We need to chain a 0. What was it? 0.7, so we need to chain 0.6. Unforge. Should still look fine. Yep. A little bit of that additional detailing, you know. Okay, so next. Thank you for your stream. It's a good way for me to learn how to approach things. I'm a beginner and I think it's difficult to get started. That's honestly what the, not just the streams, but what I want to accomplish with the YouTube thing that I'm doing is showing people how to get slightly forward, showing people how to get started. So you're welcome. You're welcome. Hello, Amlan. Kinda need to start drawing from here and then jump to the C-plane. Draw the cylinder there. Okay. Grab that. Get that in here. Let's get the scale up, or rather get the scale up this way. Boolean difference out with a single cylinder here. It makes a very weird thing there though. So I kinda want to not do that. Okay. Let's hide it for a bit. Rather, let's delete it for a bit. So there needs to be like a series of cuts that stem from this and that need to go along that, like this edge right here, loop edge. But it also needs to be pretty straight, which is a problem. So we need like 2 pivoting points for the fingers. Which is unnecessarily complex. So instead, we're not gonna do that. We're not gonna do that. We're just going to do this instead. Just like that. Just find some sort of a pivot that works. Yep, something like that. I'm thinking of buying a mini CNC router for armature practice. Okay. Do you recommend it, or should I go somewhere where they teach how to use one first? You'll break it. If you buy like a $200 CNC router from Amazon or something, you're gonna break it if you don't have training. Because with 3D printing you can kind of do you can kind of be very how do I call it? Yeah, that's good. With 3D printing, you can be very rough, I guess, with your machine. With CNC, it's just gonna break. It doesn't matter if you use laser cutters and 3D printers. The knowledge doesn't transfer that well. I would say that you need at least basic training in feeds and speeds of the machine. You know, how many RPMs the drill bit needs to turn, how fast can you go, what's the stock, how do you adjust the safety planes for the stock, and so on. Because any retractive manufacturing method is much harder to do than additive. Because additive, when you're dealing with additive, all you can do is just print the wrong thing. But if you cut the wrong thing, then the machine can start cutting itself. So then that would be a bad thing, in my opinion. Quads, come on, give me a quad. Don't give me a perpendicular. Quad, there we go. So I need, like, this is gonna be a little bit sad, but I do need like a pretty intense cut to happen here. It is what it is. Rotate. That's 180. What's 180 minus 45, 135. That's the wrong... What? Wait. Is my axis wrong or what? Center of rotation. Rotate 3D. My axis was way off. Okay, now let's try. 135? Yes. So this needs to happen. And then just to be able to check, also this needs to have like a mirror thing going on. Or we can rotate 3D. Last axis. Last axis copy, yes. 90 degrees. Like that. Okay. Please make videos about Bongo. I don't use Bongo. Can't make videos about stuff that I don't use. This old Tony channel. Yeah, that's a good channel actually to learn from. About CNC milling. Check out this old Tony channel. I think it's definitely good. So we get that. We can't do that. At least 45 degrees. Okay. How do we... Let's do it this way. So the bottom part is easy, right? We just cut. Yeah, we just extrude, curve, direction from here to here. We just kind of make a cut. The top part, if we make a cut, it's gonna be a little bit too much, I think. We can try. Extrude curve, direction from here to here, like that. Yeah, it's a little bit much of a cut. Well, okay, let's just see. Maybe it's gonna look cool, so might as well just check it out. So these two cuts, huh? And this one. Bam, bam, bam. Shade it. When it's just standing there, it does that. That's not that bad. It's like 45 degrees, huh? That's fine. Like that small intersection is okay. So now it can do 45. Let's see. No, I can't make it smaller. If I make it smaller, it's not gonna work, basically. I do need to see these, the intersection that's happening. But what I can do Let's kind of move this up until here and just move this up and hope that that's gonna be a nice cut. And while I'm at it, let me mirror this to the opposite side, like so, to be able to cut away the fingers here. Scale 1D. So there's, you know, we've kind of made a clean design, and now we're making it actually functional and actually being, you know, able to use it. One more thing is the center of movement is very low. What if we get it up until here? I mean, that is going to be just a mess. That is true. But maybe we can get it just slightly higher up. Something like that. Like any millimeter that works helps. Because the lower this gets, the more this cuts, right? Okay, so let's have it this way. Now let's do... Oh, this is gonna be painful. Trim. Why is this not cutting? It should be cutting. Something's off. Because those two need to be selected. Gotcha. So that needs to also be mirrored. Back to trimming. Like that, and that. Ugh. Okay. So that's the new and improved finger. Well, not that bad, honestly. Could be much worse. And now this and this trim. The graphics card keeps not wanting to show the fillet. Okay, so we're getting this. Let's give it like a pretty strong 1 centimeter fillet here. That is very aggressive there, so let's give it like a 7 mil fillet instead. Yeah, that's a little bit calmer. Let's hide these. Why is that? Oh, that's because this is the curve that it's taking. Okay. Yeah, I'm okay with that. So we get this. Then it's not over. We still need to do this. And Boolean difference of this. So we're initially creating this kind of a channel here. Oh. Look at that mess. Look at that mess. Okay. So now we fillet edge. No, we don't fillet edge. We can't let ourselves... Oh, can we? No, it's like edges upon edges. We can't. We can't. Can we? Okay, let's undo. So what if this is actually very large? like as large as so that it reaches the floor, like that. And we do a Boolean difference with it. Well, that that shits the bed pretty hard. Let's see. Yeah, it just kind of breaks, doesn't it? 0.1. Let's just see if 0.1 works. No. But maybe, actually, maybe we can do something about, no. Can't do anything about that. But that's fine. I can mitigate that with some discs. From these guys. Delete input, no. Oh, made a boo-boo. What the fuck? Come on. Delete input, no, with this. Okay. Now it's here. Let's just see. Need to remember that this is not aligned with world axes. This kind of needs to be there. Immediately forgot. Gumball aligned to object. Let's see. Doesn't align to object at all. That's fine. Let's just kind of put it in. Oh, it needs to be a copy though. Okay. Let's find like an angle. Is that okay? Yeah, that's fine. Good enough of an angle. All right, so those are the objects that we're getting. Then we need like a thing here, and that thing needs to look real funky. Let's see if we can make it look funky. Something like that, yeah. Bounding box. Move. Is that does not move correctly, isn't it? Is it? No, that's, oh yeah, because the bounding box is shit. Rhino is very good at designing shoes. Just so you know, Rhino is excellent at designing shoes. Nike uses Rhino. There's kind of a bunch of other companies. Adidas uses Rhino and so on. There's a lot of shoemakers that use Rhino. It's actually surprisingly good for that. So we do that. So this happens. Once this happens, this needs to actually slide back in, get extruded more, and this needs to slide along the edge and not be snapped to center. Okay, something like that. And this one I can actually just mirror now. Okay, so we have this, and for it I will take this, copy it like that, delete one, take this, copy it like that, and I need to move it as well. I could have mirrored it, I know, but okay. So we will have these. Then these move out ever so slightly, like 0.1 millimeters out. Well, that's maybe too slight. 0.5 millimeters out, like that. And this one as well. 0.5. CRT. Oh. This, it means this. Cathode ray tube. Okay, let's Boolean union this. Boolean union that. And Boolean union this. Then let's show selected, get the pipe in here, and select these, Boolean difference with the pipe. Hide the pipe, chamfer, 1 mil chamfer on the outside like that, 1 mil chamfer, oops, like that. What the fuck? Okay, sure, Rhino, sure. Then why is this aligning so well? Do I care? Kinda care. So these guys need to be a little bit up. Just slightly up. Okay. Merge all coplanar. Merge all coplanar. Fillet edge. 1 mil. Okay. Isolate. Actually, I will hit it with a 1 mil in every single edge here, so that I can hit the outsides with 0.5 mil, like that. Can I just double click? Yeah. Okay, that's good. That's faster. That's so much faster, actually. Oh my god. We learned a new thing today. Okay, so we have these. And that's good that you bought the software. It's a good program, I think. Especially if you're a shoemaker, that's going to ramp up your game quite well, by quite a bit. Okay, like that. And then last one needs to be somewhere there. Okay. Do we like this? We like this. We like this. Now I need to figure out how to fillet this edge right here. Oh no, no, no. Okay, what if I here say that the fillet is actually 0? Will that break? Oh, that doesn't break. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. So we can do that. Let's do it here as well. Actually, for this, I kind of just want to... Can I just draw like this triangle here? Just kind of scale it up and cut away with it. Wouldn't that just fix it? Let's think. Let's try. Okay. So that would, let's see. Yeah, that would work. Okay, so here as well. For all three, no, that one's fine. And this one will go into 0, so that's fine as well. So I only need to fiddle with this. Yep. Okay. Let's see that fillet happening. That sweet, sweet fillet that I want. There it is. There it... there it isn't. There it isn't. Okay, let's see. Is it something that I can fix? Wait. Bam. Pow. 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 And just join. Okay. Sure. So that kind of works out. I will not mess with this area here. I think that's okay. Then here I definitely need this to catch light, so fillet edge, chain those edges, but this will break, so I need to add a handle. That doesn't let me add a handle. Why? Why? Okay, what about here? Oh, the handle is right there. Oh, that's shitty. But if I do that, then I get a handle. And can I just say that you sir are... Ooh. Never mind. I'm being stupid. Like that. And now you are 0. Not 2, not 2, not 2, 0. Okay. Fillet. shit. But we don't worry, we just select our stuff, we trim with our stuff. First of all, select our stuff and join, then trim. Trim away, trim away, trim away, trim away, please. Please, sir, please trim. Okay, that is not cooperating with us. So what if we add a handle here and here saying 0.5, right? And also like here, as well as like here. But then this one is 0 and this one is 0. That's gonna work, right? Yeah. We are slowly learning how fillets work, how to force a fillet. I'll do a video about this for sure. People need to know. People need to know the truth that you can do fillets with Rhino. It's just very painful. Okay, we union these. All right, and then we union these. All right. Fillet edge, and let's just hit it with 0.5. Let's just see what's gonna happen. Most likely nothing good. Hey, that's not bad. Okay. So all of these are able to get filleted properly. Yes. What about these three? Ooh, that's a long ass fillet. Yeah, which breaks naturally. Let's see. Yeah, that's what's breaking it, huh? That angle right there. So maybe we don't need to deal with that. Maybe we just do just crack it. I mean, I completely understand cracking software if you're a student, right? And you're in depth, you don't have money, you don't work, you don't have any way of any skills on how to make money. So you crack the software, right? To gain the skills so that you can make money. But once you are actually working and once you're actually making money, and if you're still cracking software, at that point it's kind of a dick thing, honestly. Because people are spending so much effort in developing the software that cracking it is, I don't know. Doesn't seem like a very nice thing. .2. Let's go for 0.2. Let's just see. Yeah, that's fine. And actually this can be a part of any one of these, but I'll just let it be for now. Okay, we have ourselves a basic foot. this. Doesn't look half bad as well. Need to, like, this one can be clean, but the backside here, I kind of want to have some sort of a bounding box situation going on. Maybe not. Let's think. So can we do like a center point? Oh, we can do a midpoint. That's something. No, but I need like a point in here. Is there like at least one? Okay, there's none. Let's do it this way then. Oh, I know. Right here, I can do extract ISO curve. The ISO curve will be clean. The other direction though. There we go. The ISO curve is clean. And then we do a quad to a quad. Give me a quad. Okay, knots need to stop. Need to chill out a bit. Really? You're not giving me a quad? Oh, there we go. I just had to complain a bit and it immediately gives me a quad, and now I need a midpoint snap. I know you're there somewhere. Come on, just give it to me. Up, there we go. Okay, that was way too hard. That was way too hard. And actually I want to see any of the rotation helpers here, because I will need that either way. Oh, we're moving, we copy. So I'll just kind of position it already there. Come on, get me up. There we go. And let's just scale this down. Yeah, should be fine. Okay. So this is right in the middle. Meaning that now if I draw, give me a center point, a line like that, I can rotate the line. Can I though? Let's see. What are we dealing with here? Perhaps I don't even need to do that. Perhaps just drawing like a box thing here is good enough. Oops. What? Show. Are you kidding me? Did I fucking delete the... How? I deleted it. Great. That's great. But that's fine actually, because we're doing a different strategy, so it's okay. Okay. Then that moves in. This whole thing kind of moves in here. And actually needs to move vertical. Needs to chill out somewhere here. Like that. Then, of course, we... Oops. We need to move this down. It's a little bit too intense. When it does that, move this in to get a nice chamfer there. Scale this down. Get like a double of it. Actually this can move to the from here to the bottom. Do you have like a quad probably, right? Is there like a wireframe quad? Yeah, perfect. So that moves in. This needs to hide now. Okay. Ah, crap. Okay, so it can't move in all the way because of the intersections. It should be able to move in like that, or rather, let's do it this way. So this is where the chamfer ends. Kinda does that. This kinda moves in. Just like that. Hell yeah. Merge all co-planner. Let edge. Like a 2mm fillet for these 3 edges. Fillet edge. Like a 1mm fillet. For all of these and all of these. Just kinda. Yeah, that's good. And then 2 of them. Okay. Isolate the bad boy. Boolean difference from here with here, because I need to get rid of these, and then Boolean union. Voila. Have some bracing. Show. Okay, I think we can start rendering. As I said, today is a smaller game. Show all. Alright, this one still needs to kind of find... oh my god. Extract ISO curve. Vertical. Or not vertical, that's a V. Okay, that's a U. There we go. Get that one in there. Actually, you can be a bit bigger. That's fine. Okay, something like this, huh? Did I? Keep moving it rather than copying it. Okay, like that. And also, let's just make a copy of you and just preemptively have you horizontal, because you'll need to be horizontal there. Just scale, right? Okay, now let's find... just get it here. Okay, I get that, and then the last one is gonna be this. It's gonna be a bit more a bit more tricky. Copy. Just copy you out here. All right. I need to take this, copy this by this point to the center point here, right? And then draw a line between the center point here, and doesn't matter, like center point here. I just need the axis, and then rotate yes, rotate this to fit with the axis, to sit on the axis rather, and delete that. And now we have ourselves this, which, okay, time to check if we're stupid or not. Rotate 3D. Oh, we're not. Okay. Smart. So it's able to rotate. And intersects. Oh right, I didn't think of that, that these intersect with this. Is that bad? That's not good, but is it bad? Not necessarily. I just need to make a few adjustments here. By the way, what the fuck is that? Oh, that's like a double. Oh. Right. So there needs to be like bigger cuts wherever that these things are happening. Okay, I'm okay with that, because we can just get oh, that is, I'm a little bit less okay with that, but maybe this is gonna be enough. Just get these, make a copy of them, -20. Okay, untrim. Fuck. Okay, at least center point. Yes, center point is available, which means that I can make a circle, but for that I need a C-plane. 3-point, bam, bam, bam. The C-plane orientation doesn't matter at all, I think. We'll see, actually, if it matters or not. Where's my gumball? Snappy dragging. Like that. Goes back. Perfect. C-plane world top. So now this needs to be capped. It needs to be copied. No, it needs to be before cap, needs to be offset by like 2 millimeters. Yeah, that looks about right. And then gets capped. Then gets copied. Bam. Only center points. Only center points. Center points, center points. Center points. Nope, not a quad. I said center points. Okay, I'll try again. Center to center. Snapping is fun, by the way. I enjoy snapping very much, especially to center points. That is just the best. Okay, let's group this up and move this all back to where they need to be, and then we just pull in difference with the new discs. The new discs that are actually, oh my god, each of them needs to be bigger. Is there a faster way to do this? Don't think that there is. Let's see, at least let's see if this is fine. Yeah. Rotate 3D. Let's say 45 degrees. A strong intersection there. Not ideal. Not ideal. Also intersects with that. That's also not ideal. That part is fixable. Okay, okay. Move it back. Let's do -20 again. This one goes away. What was that fillet? 0.5, wasn't it? Let's see. If I do 0.5 and I select this surface as well as this and look at it in the top view, they are aligning. So it was 0.5. Good. That means all I need to do is just select all of these, ungroup all of these, select all of these, and just move them by 0.5 to one side and then move them by 0.5 to the other side. Okay. Then I need to, let's just explode then unselect, unselect. This is just faster to do it this way. And delete. Okay. Then we need to offset surface and offset them by 1 more millimeter. Or let's do 2. Why not? Why the hell not? Let's actually bring in those discs in here. 40. What am I saying? 1. Okay, how does this look like right now? Like, that's a much stronger intersection there, but might be not enough. I will do more. So that was offset surface 2. That was 2. Let's do a 3. Don't want to do more. Cap. Okay. Fillet edge. 1 mil fillets for everything here. Actually, do we do? Yeah, we do. So let's just do that. Can I just that? Yeah, that's fast enough. Okay. 20. Actually 40. Okay, now the tricky bit. Boolean difference. With this and this. Delete. That's how they look like. Not bad. I mean, not great, but also not bad. Boolean difference with this. Also not bad. Then Boolean difference with that. Okay. This one with that and that. Okay. So now these will be able to rotate without intersecting. Well, to a certain threshold, of course. We have the twisting, we have the... Yeah. We have it all. We have it all. Okay. Looks good. Thank you. I think so too. Doesn't look that bad. Let's render this out. With height. Okay, so this is we're gonna be rendering out the Instagram post first. That's fine with me. Whoa, that's a little bit blurry, isn't it? Isn't it? Okay, so first of all, 1080. Right. Second of all, where's my camera? No depth of field just yet. Then let's actually fish out. Fish out the colors. What's what? So this is gonna be metal. I want it to be metal. Then these bits, well, this bit is gonna be metal as well, for sure. Then these bits are gonna be paint with metal peeling off. Well, that was easy. Okay, we have that. Now I need to make this, you know, into something that is representable. Let's see. How's that for a procedural map? Huh? Okay, so 30 feet. Let's do some sort of a little bit of a fetish render for Americans out there who love feet. Rotate 3D. Let's just get this going there. Yeah. Let's see. Something like that, huh? Perhaps this one can even be, well, not perfectly straight, but okay, cursor need to be hidden. Not perfectly straight, but somewhat straight. What's a POV scene? Point of view scene? I don't know what that means. Oops. Almost made a boo-boo. Actually, okay. Let's just say you're doing that. You're also kinda doing up. Just rotate. Don't have that one, but I'll just kinda doing that. Mm-hmm. That's an intersection right there that I can't fix right now. But I'll remember. I'll remember to fix it later. Hmm. This whole part kinda. So I kinda want, okay, unlock. So this is kinda going up. That's fine. Just kind of whoop. This one, whoop. No, actually, that's fine. That's fine. Hmm. No. Maybe. Maybe something like this. Okay, since I don't have enough time today, I'm going to say that this is fine. I will focus the depth of field onto the foot though. Something like that. Let's increase the render output size. Here. And just hit it with a final render. This is a little bit of a mistake in terms of composition, but I think it's fine. Like the knee as well as the bottom of the thigh needs to be Thanks for the new wallpaper. Oh man. You enjoy the dirty feet, huh? Okay, no apparent intersections except this one. This one is pretty rough. That's unfortunate. But also easy to fix, so not that big of a deal. Okay, so this is done. R10. Oh, our 10th live stream of this. I don't know how to call this project, I guess, of this project. Nice. Okay, that, and then let's find another composition, but this time with a horizontal proportion. I think we found it. Ain't gonna lie, I think we found it. Like there's a little bit. Oops. No, go back. Yep. We found it. Is that still in focus? That is still in focus. That is still out of focus. We even get a nice little edge here. Yummy. Okay. That. So I don't need to change anything. We just hit the render. How do coating flakes... How does the coating flake out more on the edge, around the edge, than in the base? Good question. Paint, like this is the material. This is the material that I'm using. And basically this material has metal as its base, right? So this, let's say the leg material, the base of it is actually metal. And the plastic or the paint is on top of the metal, right? So I have 3 layers here: metal, paint, and dirt. So the paint layer, you know, is just, you know, this material, but it has an opacity map. And that opacity map is basically a reverse dirt map. Where is it? Reverse dirt map. And you can make a reverse dirt map if you just do inner occlusion. Not ambient occlusion, but inner occlusion for a dirt map. Then you can use it as your opacity map, and in doing so control that only the outer edges are receiving. The outer edges become transparent. So if the paint is transparent, then what you see is metal, which is underneath the paint, right? And there's like additional stuff that goes on that I can kinda can't really show you that well here. I have another render that I can show you. If you use then the same texture for your bump map of the paint, then what happens is the paint looks like it has volume, right? Because it bumps away from the metal. There are some problems with this approach, as with any procedural approach. There are gradients that you will not be able to get rid of perfectly, but in most cases it works. I mean, if you're not looking at it up too closely, then it looks just fine, right? Oh no, we forgot the wire. Well, that's fine. This one is gonna be clean. And we're done, actually. We're done. Okay. Thank you, everyone, for watching. I will see you tomorrow. Yes, I will see you tomorrow for a longer stream where we're going to be yeah, there's still one more thing that this character needs in terms of 3D modeling. So it's not going to be detailing stream, but it's going to be the last large scale like just making objects for the character stream. And no, it's not gonna be boobs. We're not gonna be modeling boobs. We're going to be actually cutting away some of the booby situation from this character. Anyway, I'll see you tomorrow. Don't know when. Just keep an eye out for the little boop boop, little thingy. Bye. Bye. Bye.